This is the message of the President. My warmest greetings to the Commission on Population and Development, or CPD, as you celebrate your 57th anniversary. Population and development planning sit at the heart of nation building. The work you do empowers the government to invest wisely in education, strengthen health and social protection systems, prepare a productive workforce, and ensure that every Filipino family has a fair chance to thrive. By turning demographic insight into decisive action, you ensure that public resources reach where they matter most and that policies reflect the realities, aspirations, and dignity of every Filipino family. Through your leadership, governance becomes more strategic, more inclusive, and more responsive to the demands of a rapidly evolving society. As you celebrate this milestone, may you continue to sharpen your tools, deepen partnerships, and close the gap between knowledge and action. Let this occasion inspire even greater innovation and a stronger commitment to your mission in guiding our nation's growth with insight, foresight, and integrity. As we pursue the vision of a bagong Pilipinas, I encourage you to continue leading the way in a data-driven decision-making, fostering collaboration across sectors, and shaping policies that uplift Filipino families and empower communities to prosper. Congratulations, and I wish you more success in the years ahead. Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., the President of the Philippines.